Okay, I'm back and I have a quick unboxing and actually first impressions of the iPhone 16 Pro. And I say first impressions because I actually have had the Desert Titanium 16 Pro. Whoop, that's not it. Desert Titanium 16 Pro since yesterday, launch day. This is what I had pre-ordered, but I have a little buyer's remorse about the color. Don't get me wrong, it is a nice color, but I went back with the natural titanium. So simple unpackaging as always. There's one tab, second tab, and there is the phone itself in the natural titanium color. And of course we know that it comes with the USB-C to USB-C cable and some basic paperwork, so Apple has minimized the packaging. So what I showed on the screen earlier is my standard 15 Pro that I switched from the Max to a few months ago, and I've actually been enjoying using it. After using the Pro Max size for a few months, and even a few years, I had the 13 Pro Max and the 14 Pro Max, I was kind of getting tired of the massive size. So when Apple increased the size slightly to the 16 Pro, I thought, hey, it's a nice compromise. I get a little bit bigger battery, a little bit bigger screen, and I still get a one-handable phone, which is what I have experienced with the 16 Pro. So here we'll just take a quick look at the color comparison between the 15 Pro Natural Titanium and the 16 Pro Natural Titanium. And at least through the camera, on the back, I kind of have sunlight coming through. It looks mostly the same. I feel like the camera rings over here on the 16 Pro are a little bit cooler toned, and the 15 Pro I think has slightly more warm undertone. And I know that for the side rails, they have switched from brushed titanium on the 15 Pro to a polished titanium. Actually, it's not polished, it's like a sandblasted titanium on the 16 Pro. So over here you can kind of see a comparison. And of course, I might have some fingerprints on the 15 Pro over here. But yeah, the 16 Pro titanium rail actually looks to be a little bit shinier. I think there were some rumors before that it would be a polished titanium rail, and it is not. Actually, the Apple Watch has polished titanium, but over here you can see that it's kind of a cooler color. And then of course we can compare it to the Desert Titanium, which is much warmer, of course, has kind of a cream back and copperish, side rails. To me, it's kind of like a bronze copper with the hint of pink underneath. Depends on the lighting. When my wife took a look at it last night, she was like, this is a pink phone. But over here in the lighting, I think it has kind of a bronze copperish look. It is a nice phone, a handsome phone if you ask me, but I just wasn't loving it. And I think I'm going to go back to the natural titanium. And I think the natural titanium will fit better with more cases. It's more of a neutral color. So this year, I think the winners for me in the Pro line are the natural titanium, and then if I had a second choice, it would probably be black titanium. So let's go ahead and peel this off, and I will set this up, and I'll be right back.